What's up, y'all? This your girl Nene, and I am about to do a prank on my husband to see his reaction. Acting ratchet and annoying while he's playing the game. Um, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hope y'all enjoy. Peace. Why you always on the dang old game playing? Like, you giving me no attention. But it's so funny. You just, get on my nerves. Always on that game and stuff. See, I'm trying to work.
Why did you get off work? We're enjoying ourselves.
No, I don't care. Because I ain't got time for all that firing. Or maybe talking about these earrings on your butt. You already know I'll take these off like. Don't play with me. Don't play like that. Got guns all up in this mug. It's whatever. This ain't play again. I'm just saying, I'm working, stuff. On YouTube. Honey, like, what we eating today?
Liar.
I don't want no lasagna. I want some chicken or some steak, some pork chops, or whatever. I love these hoops.
That's nice.
Real ratchet on a nigga. Don't play with me. Don't play like that. Don't play like that. I don't want lasagna. I want some like chicken, some ribs. I don't know, like I don't know. I don't want no lasagna. I want some chicken or some. I don't know, like something.
We had chicken down last night.
I don't want to hear all that right now. Okay, I'm trying to work. I'm on YouTube. TikTok, Instagram. How does this look?
Good goodness.
Anyways, but yeah, like I was saying, I know you playing your game, whatever, but I need some attention. Like,
We got a whole minute.
because all these people up here be like, girl. You can finish playing your game. I'm just, sitting here chilling, put on my makeup and stuff. About to get out these earrings. I thought you said something, but it's cool. It's cool.
We'll call the timeout.
What?
Call
You say you want to fight?
I'll call it.
No, maybe take these earrings off on your butt. Like, what you want to do then? Byron, Antoine, Byron, whatever your name is. I got guns all up in this thing.
Keep it good.
Be like Medea up around here. Medea. Don't know what he talking about. Now I said I want some chicken or some greens. I don't want no lasagna. That's not for me. I want some chicken, not no lasagna. Like I said, I want some chicken, some macaroni and cheese, some ham. I don't know, some of that soul food.
Some queens.
Made me come out my earrings on this man.
Want some queens.
Where is my mirror at? Get out that game.
Want some queens.
If I throw this water on you. No, I want some chicken. Yeah, I think I do want some greens or something like that. I'm not. I'm about to get ready to go to the club tonight. Do you hear me? Whatever. Me and my girls about to go hang. We about to tear the club up like us girls do. It's a hot girl summer. You better know it. You better know it. Antoine, Byron, whatever. So what earrings y'all wear? These? I love these suits. You like these suits? Here. I gotta see what outfit I'm gonna wear. I love my black girl magic outfit, but I want to put on something else cute. Thugging it out like whatever. Got your hat on. I don't care about you playing no game and enjoying yourself. It's all about me. Because I'm going to the club tonight. Since you don't want to enjoy no time with me, I'm in the bed looking all good and shit. Got my makeup on, you know what I'm saying? Put my makeup on and stuff. I got my hoops on and stuff because I'm that baby. I'm that baby. You don't know what he missing all over here on that game and stuff. You don't even know what you missing over here. I was sitting over here being quiet, working.
No, let's go get it.
And then I asked you what we gonna eat tonight. You said lasagna. I don't want no lasagna. I want some chicken.
Chicken?
And some macaroni and some cheese. You gonna make that for me?
Yeah, I mean.
Whatever. Oh, that's exactly why I came on my earrings already. Where my Vaseline? Where my Vaseline at? Pass me the Vaseline. He won't get beat up. Where the Vaseline at? This ain't no Vaseline, but it's something close. You wanna fight? Do something. Beat you up real quick. Had them punches rolling right off. Mine's landing. Bye. Go ahead, drink your little water. I was about to be glad I want to some water if I could throw it on you. Whatever, like I said, I'm sitting over here working and put my makeup on because me and my girls about to have a hot girl summer this summer. We about to get lit. Turn up all day, every day, every night. Turn it up. What you talking about? You don't even know what you talking about. Don't make me come out this weed. I just did it too. Cute. Put my earrings back on. I thought I was about to have this. Pull that out. Had to pull that out on. Anywho, like I said, I want some chicken. Because I'm getting lit tonight and I need my stomach to be on full mode. You feel me? Makeup gotta be on point. Hoops gotta be on point. Where you going? Where you going, Byron? Antoine? What you doing? Where you going? Who wanna get slapped?
Look, back in time for the game.
Get off them headphones. You hear me talking to you? Antoine, me.
Let's go, LeBron. Pass it. Hey,
Oh,
baby.
you and LeBron about to get knocked
Get that,
out.
baby.
You and LeBron about to get knocked out. Because you supposed to be listening to me. And not no LeBron. He don't give you this punani. I do. So you listen to me. Forget LeBron James. Him is cute though. But get him.
You think LeBron cute?
What did I say? Byron. I done took off the earrings. Now I was about to put them back on, but I leave them off. And I got my Vaseline in my purse, and my gun, and my shank. Don't make me pull it out. Don't make me pull it out. Don't make me pull it out, because I will. You already know not to even go there with me. Dang. I done already came out my earrings, about to put a little Vaseline lotion on. He's about to get at it. I don't care about you playing no game. Like I said, I want some chicken before I go to the club with my girls and turn up like we do. Turn up. I don't need, hey, we gonna be in the club like, hey. What? Hey, he don't know nothing about that. Hey, me and my girls gonna come on our earrings like, hey, let up Wood walk up on me, he gon' get smacked. Girl, like, what? You don't want none of this? Cause I come out these earrings and this wig real quick on that ass. Like I said, I was doing some work, but right now I'm about to get ready to go to the club work. Feel me? Put makeup on, blush. Look cute. Honey, you not listening to me. Is you gonna make me some chicken or what?
Sure, bro.
I want some chicken and no lasagna. Because I don't really like lasagna right now. I want some chicken and some macaroni and cheese, some candy, yeah, some greens, all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about? Anywho, anyways, like I said, pause your little game, because LeBron ain't got nothing on me, honey. Is you listening? LeBron and that game and all of them, Camarlo, what's his name? What's the little light bright? Steph Curry. They ain't got nothing on all this goodness right here. Got nothing on all this fine. I already came on my hoops. I'm gonna put it back on because you said you're gonna make me some chicken. I don't want no lasagna. For some chicken, macaroni and cheese, some greens, some collard greens, some cornbread, some cornbread, and some Kool-Aid. Oh yeah, I want some Kool-Aid. But I want some, I want some Kool-Aid in this cup right here. Kool-Aid in this cup. Turn up all day off the Kool-Aid. You feel me? Turn up all day off that Kool-Aid. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Don't know what y'all missing. About to come out the hoops. Don't worry, I have a whole lot of pear in here. All day. Take one hoops off on the bop bop. Put them all on. Put some more on. It's nothing. Always keep you some earrings in your purse. Just in case you had to come out and lose them or something. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have extra hoops and stuff on deck. Makeup and all that. And you already know packing, whacking. Lacking, tacking, packing, whacking. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get back to a little bit of work.
pass, bro. Green light.
Put my little password in, because that's a real password. Don't you know it? Nope,
We're
you
done,
don't.
baby. Let's go.
Incorrect. Oops. But like I was saying, I'm about to go out with my girls. We're about to have a good old time. Don't wait up for me. Don't wait up for me. Don't wait up. We're about to have fun. And I already know if I had to come out the hoops, I got second pair. I got 2 pairs of hoops. I got 2 pairs of hoops. I got 2 pairs of hoops. Hey, hey, I got 2 pairs of hoops. I come out of one and put them back on because I got 2 pairs of hoops. You feel me? Do you feel me? Whatever. Anywho, anyway, Byron, Antoine, whatever your name is. I know you can't hear me because you're on your headphones or whatever. If I had some Kool-Aid in here, I would drink it. I want some Kool-Aid. Anyways, I got hoops everywhere because I don't be playing no games. Get real gangster on the person real quick. You dig? Made me have to come out this wig. Where are you going? Whatever. Cause what I say goes. Cause I'm daddy. But yeah, like I said, I got my hoops on deck. I got my Vaseline on deck. I got hoops everywhere. Got the Vaseline. Got to pull my Vaseline out when I got it over there. I got my lip gloss. Lip gloss be popping. Lip gloss be popping. Ratchet on that dude. Turner gonna be real. Turner gonna be real. Up in the club, like get it, girl, get it, girl, get it, girl, got it, girl. Ay, ay. All my girls be popping. All y'all niggas stop it. I drop the beat like ay, 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 ay. I will have that purse on deck when I walk up. Hoops on deck when I walk up. What? You don't know me. I don't know me. You know who we be in the club. Dropping like it's hot. Hey, that's what real poppin' girls do tonight. Hey, hey, hey. Pet that weed. Pet that weed. Pet that weed. Pet the weed. Pet that weed. Pet that weed. Hey, ain't playing with a boy. Walk up on me. He gon' see. Ain't playing with a girl. Walk up on me. She gon' see. Come out them hoops real quick. Had to slap. Drop it like it's hot, then that. Drop it like it's hot, then that. Hey, hey. Real ratchet. Peace, y'all. He left the building. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I hope I did a little bit of something. Nah, man, I hope I got y'all a little bit. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Push that bell. Push that subscribe button. And we'll be back with another video. Real Ratchet. Peace.